And on a final note, it was a joyous and memorable moment for the wedding between Adam Modibo and Jamila Babuba to see the light of day in Adamawa State. In honor of the wedding, a dinner was held for family, friends and well-wishers from various spheres of lives to celebrate and share the joy between the newly married couples. It was a moment of truth as associates and colleagues joyfully joined the couple in celebrating their new home on the floors of the banquet hall Government House, Yola. Invited guests at the ceremony expresses joy for witnessing the occasion while calling on the newly couple to allow love, patience and understanding to take part in their homes.
Ni dai ina ba su shawara kowa ya dai yi kokari ya samu ya yi auren don auren tana da amfani sosai wanda kuma ya samu ya kula da matansa in ɗaya ne in biyu ne in uku ne in hudu ne Allah ubangiji ya ba su zaman lafiya.